Nick Cannon and Abby de la Rosa cuddle up in new pics with twin sons. Nick Cannon and Abby de la Rosa recently welcomed their twins Zion Mixolydian and Zillian Air Cannon into the world. These new pics show how Nick is making time for the new additions to his family. Two of Nick Cannon's latest additions to his growing family, he has 7 children, are looking cuter than ever in a new portrait. Abby de la Rosa recently shared adorable family photos on her Instagram account of her Nick, and 1-month-old twins Zion Mixolydian and Zillian Air Cannon. The duo's babies were born on June 16, only 3 months after Abby announced she was pregnant. In the photos, which were taken by Clifton Prescott, Nick and Abby cuddled their little ones as they were sound asleep. Zion and Zillian wore adorable matching pajamas, and in one image, both Nick and Abby kissed each baby as they rested. Abby marked their month day by captioning the pics, 1-month-old Zion and Zillian Cannon. Abby first shared that she and Nick were expecting on Sunday, April 11. The then-mom-to-be sweetly captioned her announcement, "Our dearest sons, my miracle babies, thank you for choosing me to be your mommy." The DJ continued her post, "I know the Lord has destined me and prepared me for the gift of not one but 2 little angels. I pray that God give you both the strength to walk brave and boldly in your individual truth just like your daddy. That God bless you and your brother and guide you into living out your full purpose. Your dad and I will always be here for you both, in complete unison and support," she assured her future babies at the time. No matter what this world may throw your way, know that forgiveness is key and what is for you, is for you. You both are already so loved and we can't wait to meet you both. Nick is also a dad to powerful Queen Cannon, 7 months. Golden Cannon, 4, Moroccan Scott Cannon, 10, Monroe Cannon, 10, and Zen S. Cannon, 2 weeks. And while some might be keen to shame Nick for having 4 children in a year, the dad of 7 said on the Power 106 Los Angeles radio show, "I am having these kids on purpose. I don't have no accident." The Masked Singer host added, "Trust me, there's a lot of people I could have gotten pregnant that I didn't. The ones that got pregnant are the ones that were supposed to get pregnant."